Welcome to a world of endless opportunities, where working from home is no longer a dream, but a reality. As the world continues to evolve and technology advances, the traditional 9-to-5 job is rapidly being replaced by flexible remote work. From the comfort of your home, or indeed anywhere in the world, the internet offers a multitude of platforms to earn a decent income. Side hustles are more than just a trend. They're a smart strategy for financial independence, providing an additional income stream and the flexibility to work on your terms. Whether you're looking for a way to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply increase your earnings, a side hustle could be the game changer you need. So, if you're considering a side hustle and are ready to explore the potential of earning over $185 a day, you're in the right place. A side hustle is more than an extra paycheck. It's an opportunity to flex your entrepreneurial muscles. In a world where financial stability is often elusive, side hustles have become the go-to option for many. They provide an additional income stream, which can be a lifeline in times of economic uncertainty. But the benefits of side hustles extend beyond the financial. They offer flexibility. You can choose when and where you work, making it possible to fit your side hustle around other commitments. This flexibility is a major draw, particularly for those with family responsibilities or full-time jobs. Side hustles also offer a level of independence. You're in control of your own destiny. You decide what work you take on, how much you charge, and who your clients are. This autonomy can be incredibly empowering, allowing you to take charge of your professional life in a way that might not be possible in a traditional job. But one thing that remains critical is finding a reliable platform to earn money. The internet is awash with websites promising easy money, but not all of them deliver. It's important to do your homework, to ensure that the platform you choose is reputable and reliable. Remember, a side hustle is not just about earning extra cash. It's about taking control, being flexible, and gaining independence. It's about turning your skills and passions into a profitable venture. With the right platform, your side hustle can be a game changer. Not all platforms are created equal. Today, we'll focus on the best of the best. When selecting the websites for this video, we've put them through a rigorous selection process, so you don't have to. We've considered three major factors: ease of use, payment reliability, and earning potential. Firstly, we looked for platforms that are user-friendly. Because let's face it, nobody wants to waste precious time fumbling around with complicated interfaces. Secondly, we've made sure that these websites are reliable when it comes to payment, because there's nothing worse than putting in the work, only to be left high and dry when payday rolls around. Lastly, but by no means least, we've considered the earning potential. We've focused on websites where you can earn $185 or more per day. Each of these websites offers something unique, so let's dive into the details. Now, we're delving into the exciting part, the websites that can help you earn daily. We have carefully selected 6 websites that not only offer the potential for daily earnings, but also ensure ease of use, reliability, and a fair shot at making over $185 per day. First on the list is Swagbucks. This website offers a variety of ways to earn money, from taking surveys to playing online games. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you can start earning immediately. One user shared an inspiring story of making an extra $100 a month, which helped cover some unexpected expenses. Next, we have Fiverr. This platform is a goldmine for freelancers offering services ranging from graphic design to content writing. Setting up a profile is easy, and you can set your prices. Success stories abound here, with some users earning full-time income from their Fiverr gigs. Thirdly, we have user testing. This website pays you to test out websites and apps, providing feedback on your experience. It's a simple sign-up process, and the only requirement is a good internet connection. One user noted how user testing helped them pay off their student loans faster with their extra earnings. Our fourth website is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk. This site offers small tasks that AI can't handle yet, like identifying objects in a photo. It's easy to get started, and users have reported making a consistent side income. Coming in at number 5 is Upwork. This is another freelancing platform, but it's geared more towards professionals with specific skills, like programming or marketing. The sign-up process is more rigorous, but the earning potential is also higher. One user shared how they transitioned from a 9-to-5 job to full-time freelancing thanks to Upwork. Lastly, we have Rover. This one's for the pet lovers out there. Rover allows you to earn money by dog walking or pet sitting. It's simple to sign up, and you get to set your rates. One rover sitter shared how they were able to fund a dream vacation with their earnings. These websites offer a diverse array of opportunities to earn money daily. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a tester, a task doer, or a pet lover, there's something for everyone. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is consistency and dedication. With these websites, your side hustle is just a click away. Seeing is believing. Let's walk through these platforms together. Once you've signed up on these websites, you'll land on the homepage. Here, you'll have a dashboard showing your potential earnings, ongoing tasks, and completed tasks. Let's start with the first website. The user interface is quite straightforward. On the top right corner, you'll find the Tasks tab. Click on it to see a drop-down list of various tasks available. Choose one that appeals to you. Remember, it's always smart to start with tasks that align with your skills or interests. This way, you're not only earning, but also enjoying the process. Now let's move on to the second website. Here, you'll notice a Surveys tab. Surveys can be a great way to earn quick bucks. But a little tip: always be honest with your responses. Most of these surveys are used for market research, and your genuine input is crucial. The third website focuses on freelance gigs. If you have a specific skill like graphic design or content writing, this is the place for you. To maximize your earnings, make sure your profile stands out. Showcase your skills and previous work. Don't forget to set competitive rates. The fourth and fifth websites are more about micro-tasks and short-term projects. Remember, consistency is key here. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. It might seem small at first, but these little tasks add up to a substantial amount over time. Finally, the sixth website is a platform for online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn by teaching others. The trick here is to be patient and engaging with your students. Remember, these websites are tools to help you earn. How much you make depends largely on how you use them. Be strategic, be consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to start earning. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap. We've walked through the rising trend of working from home and the convenience it offers. We've discussed the importance of side hustles, not only as a source of additional income, but also as a means of gaining flexibility and independence. We've explored the criteria for selecting the most reliable and profitable websites, and we've also highlighted 6 websites that offer opportunities to earn more than $185 per day. Each of these sites provides a unique way to make money from the comfort of your own home, all the while doing something that suits your skills and interests. We've dived into the details of these websites, showing you their key features, the sign-up process, and sharing personal experiences and success stories. And we've even given you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to navigate these platforms and start earning money. The world of side hustles is vast and full of opportunities. All it takes is a little bit of initiative and the will to step out of your comfort zone. So, why not give these websites a shot and start your side hustle journey today? Remember, the world is your oyster, so go ahead, dive in and start earning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas and money-making tips.